If your neck and shoulders feel tight or sore, don't skip this. Spend just 15 minutes with me, and by the end of this session, you'll feel looser, lighter, and more relaxed. Let's begin.
Three, two, one, go.
Helps increase blood circulation and gently warms up the upper body, reducing stiffness in the shoulders and preparing the neck and upper back for movement. Supports relief of tension caused by long sitting or poor posture.
Three, two, one, stop. Three, two, one, go.
Releases tight neck muscles, improves cervical spine mobility, and reduces pressure around the neck and shoulders. Helps ease stiffness and discomfort caused by stress or prolonged screen time.
Three, two, one, stop. Three, two, one, go.
Improve wrist and forearm mobility while reducing connected tension that often travels up to the shoulders and neck. Helps relax the upper limb chain and supports smoother upper body movement.
Three, two, one, stop. Three, two, one, go.
Stretches the spine and opens the shoulder line, helping correct rounded posture and reducing compression in the neck and upper back. Encourages better posture alignment.
Three, two, one, stop. Three, two, one, go.
Opens tight chest and front shoulder muscles, counteracting slouched posture from sitting or phone use. Helps reduce forward head posture that contributes to neck pain.
1, stop. 3, 2, 1, go.
Lengthens the entire upper body, improves spinal flexibility, and reduces stiffness in the shoulders and upper back. Helps create more space in the neck area.
Three, two, one, stop. 3, 2, 1, go.
Releases deep tension in the shoulder joints and upper trapezius muscles, improving circulation and reducing stiffness commonly linked to neck and shoulder pain.
Three, two, one, stop. 3, 2, 1, go.
Activates upper back muscles while opening the chest, improving posture alignment, and reducing rounded shoulders that often lead to neck strain.
3, 2, 1, stop. 3, 2, 1, go.
Relieves tightness across the upper back and shoulder blades, improves spinal mobility, and reduces discomfort from long periods of sitting or inactivity. 3, 2, 1, stop. 3, 2, 1, go. Strengthens and mobilizes shoulder muscles, improves blood flow to the upper body, and helps reduce fatigue and stiffness around the neck and shoulders.
1, stop. 3, 2, 1, go.
Opens the chest from behind and improves shoulder flexibility, helping reverse slouched posture and relieving pressure in the upper spine and neck.
Three, two, one, stop. 3, 2, 1, go.
Improves balance and coordination while gently engaging the hips, core, and shoulders, supporting full body mobility and reducing stiffness from inactivity.
Three, 2, 1, stop. 3, 2, 1, go.
Stretches chest and shoulder muscles, improves breathing capacity, and helps release tightness in the front body that contributes to neck and shoulder tension.
Three, 2, 1, stop. 3, 2, 1, go.
Promotes deep relaxation, stimulates circulation, and helps release built-up tension in the neck, shoulders, and upper back for overall stress relief. Three, 2, 1, stop.